As you see guys, that Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished and today Bitcoin give us here a pin bar or a hammer. That one is a bullish one guys. It happened in that 50 moving average as we showed you yesterday. You remember it guys? Look at it here, look at the magic guys. Something very important happened here. If we came here and we zoom it like that, what you seeing? What you seeing guys? Look with me here. We came down, we touch here that 50 moving average here, and the market or Bitcoin here give us here a pin bar in that 20 and 50 moving average. What that indicating? It indicating one thing, the Bitcoin may be going to come back again to test here that zone here where we dumped before, but the only thing Friday as usual there is no volume. The only thing today we got a huge volatility going to happen guys to that market. You need to remember those things a lot guys. Today we got a lot of news, a lot of very important news that is going to create volatility. So I will not get surprised if I saw the Bitcoin came back to that 95k and touch it again. Now what we got? We got here the downtrend here, and I showed it to you before. I told you that one here you can come and do it like that, like a down channel here. I know I haven't drawn it right. Let me show it to you again. You came to those ones here like that here a down channel guys. Now the Bitcoin here, if we break in here the down channel here, we're going to see the Bitcoin pumping a lot. A lot of people they came, they criticizing me, they said here, there. Guys, I'm using very unique way to explain to you how to deal with the market. Because I'm drawing for you like someone who doesn't know nothing in reading the chart, and he will understand what else we're talking about. Look at that. And impossible for me to tell you exactly the level like that when I'm drawing in that chart here. Yes, if I do it like that, I will tell you 95k. If we break in 95k, if we break in here 84k, if we break in here 94k. It's very simple, but me using special tool guys to explain those things to you. So please my friend, if you want to learn, you are in the right place. If you don't like our analysis, there is a lot of people online, they given Bitcoin price prediction. Go and listen to them and watch them, is up to you. Now let's go back to the topic. By the way guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes if it's possible, and you like our content, make sure to smash that like button which is down. You done it? Thank you very much. Here guys, as we said, we got here the down channel, that one here. As you see it, that one, it's very important the down channel to be broke for us to know the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. As I told you, I can't give you the right because that one here, when we are drawing it, become like a picture, so I can't see the exact number here. So if we break in the down channel here, Bitcoin is going to go back at least to 100k to test here that moving average as we show you before, that one here, which is exactly at this time when also we're recording the video at 98k. So let's see if that's going to happen. That number one scenario guys. Second scenario, what is it? We still have here that one or that triangle here, that one here, we showed it to you yesterday. We haven't touched the lower of it here, so maybe the Bitcoin going to fall down again to test the lower of that triangle here. Only thing you need to be careful, if we break it or we break in the lower of that triangle, we're going to see the Bitcoin dumping a lot. If it's not, based on the 50 and the 20 moving average, also we are in a smaller bullish trend here. If you're looking at it here, look with me, the 20 moving average, it crossed above the 50, so that one is a very good sign. So let's see the coming hours what they are going to bring for us. I think I explained the Bitcoin from all the sides. I give you everything how to read that chart. If you want me to tell you exactly when to enter, when not, and those things guys, those things is not allowed in YouTube, so you need to learn a little bit. Now let's see our indicators, what it's saying today. Our indicator guys, as you see, the market is still in an uptrend. There is nothing changed here. Even the top one or the RSI here, it's still in a zone where it's only bulls the controlling. Also we're talking about that one a lot. The only things now it's entered here to that zone where there is no one controlling, and that time it's always advisable not to trade. So let's see the coming hours. I think I explained everything. Now it's going to show you the trades me are entering them plus liquidity heat maps. So let's go in there to see it together. Here we are, guys. That the trade me internet for today. Actually, that one we entered yesterday. That short in the Bitcoin, as you see it. It's still running. It's hitting second. It was closer to hit third take profit. That my trade. If you want even you to join us and you want to be with professional people to see them what they do behind scene, welcome to the family, my friend. The link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it, you're going to land here, and here you can join us. Now it's going to see liquidity heat map. Here we are, guys. The liquidity heat map here in the weekly. We still have some stop losses down here. Above, yes, we got a lot of stop losses, but compared to those ones down here, is it a lot compared to above here? Yes, we got here a price action, guys. We're going to show it to you when we're reaching two smaller time frames. Now, what is it, the view? Me are still thinking either we're going to go down to liquidate those ones or maybe we are not. So let's see the coming hours. Now let's going to see the coming news of today. Here we are, guys. That the coming news of today. The coming news, as you see it, we got today average hourly earning, non-farm payroll, and unemployment rate. That's why me I told you today is a very important day. You need to be careful from it. Look at it, guys. That very, very important news. Exactly that non-farm payroll and unemployment rate. Those ones they created a lot of volatility in the market. So if you are a day trader, be careful. That's the only things I can tell you. Now let's go into see USDT Dominance. What it's saying today. Here we are, guys. The USDT Dominance, as you see it, after it pumping here, now it started showing to us a pin bar and it showed to us maybe it's going to dump again. Let's see if that one going to work or not. That's what us we doing every time, guys, because if you bring in the Fibonacci retracement from the top till down here, over here is it the golden zone. So technically it's always from here. If it's going to dump, it's going to dump from there. So let's see if that one going to happen, because now here it's look like we are in a downtrend. We show it to you yesterday, guys. We show you here the down channel like that. We told you like that. It was very close to be touched. Let's see if it's going to fall down from here or it's going to come back and to test the down channel again. Then from there it's going to dump. So let's see the coming hours, because that one here, if you're looking at it, it's a bullish flag, guys. The only thing it needs to be broke. If it doesn't, it's just a normal down channel. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours. Bitcoin here in 12 hours, the same levels. Also, we're talking about those levels a lot. We told you 9,808. We told you 85,093. And we told you that one here, 95,016. Those ones, the three stronger zones. We're going to spend all the week, guys, between the two levels till the coming week. Then we're going to see if we are going to break above or down. And we're going to explain that to you in tonight's video, so make sure to watch that video, the previous one, to understand all our analysis, and make sure don't skip. That's very, very, very important. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Guys, if you want our daily swing trading and long-term investment signals, you can join our VIP Discord via Patreon, of course. The link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of the video and in the first comment. Click at it, you're going to land here, then read description of each and everything, and you can join us. Here we are, guys. That the Bitcoin here in 4 hours. Bitcoin here in 4 hours is doing exactly like how we told you. Look at it. It fell down. He tested here that 100 and the 200 moving average, and it showed to us as if it's going to recover from here. Base here, if we came and we take it off all those moving averages like that, what else we told you, guys? We came with like that, and we told you got here the triangle like that. That the triangle, as we show it to you in the past videos, we told it's going to touch the lower of it. It was very close to touch it, but the 100 moving average is a very stronger zone, and it's still below it. A lot of stop losses last us we show you in the liquidity heat map. So me personally, I think it's going to liquidate those ones before it go back, guys, above. So let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. Plus, focus even about that one here, that small up channel, guys. Even that one we showed it to you in yesterday video. We told you guys we got here like a bearish flag, that one here, and that one, if it's getting broke here, we're going to see that market dumping. If it's not, that's very important. Maybe from here we are going to come back above to test here the top of that channel here. So also we're ready for everything, guys. No matter where it goes, we're going to catch it. That's our job, and that's why us every time we're telling you, if you are interested, you can join us. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying today. Here we are guys, our indicator here, the MACD here, it's still in a downtrend. There is nothing changed here. The most important one is that indicator of us, that one here. Look at it guys, it came to that wall here. Let's see if it's going to do like how it happened here before. Then from here it's going to pump again. Even that one is possible. So as we're ready for everything, now is going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours. Here we are guys, the Ethereum, same thing, look at it here, same thing, nothing changed. We still have here that symmetric triangle here, plus even the Ethereum he touched here the 200 moving average. So let's see if it's going to pump again from here to test it again. Even that one is possible, but as I show you in the liquidity heatmap, there is a lot of stop losses here. So market makers, they are not going to leave that much of liquidity guys. So you need to be careful from that things. If we came here and we take it off all those moving averages like that, what we got here? What we got guys? People they been with me, they know one thing very important. Always when we got a head and shoulder like that, always the market makers, they saw it guys, and they know retails, they put in stop losses below the second shoulder. So let's see if that one going to work or not. Second scenario is it that symmetric triangle, as we show you that one here. We told you focused about it if it's going to work or not, that one here. And another scenario, even that one we show it to you. We told you we got here that small up channel like that. That one here, is it in the Ethereum, is it in the Bitcoin, is it in the USDT Dominance? And that one here, it touched the lower here. So let's see if it's going to be broke here. Like that, that's when we're going to see that Ethereum dumping. That number one scenario. Second scenario, maybe from here we're going to see that Ethereum coming back and to test the top of the channel. Even that one is possible. So I think I explained everything. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator guys, as you see it here, the MACD here, it's still in a downtrend. There is nothing changed, but the most important indicator as we follow a lot, as you see it, it's enter here to a zone where is the bears the controlling. So technically it's enter to a bear market, the Ethereum, and us people there with us, we enter a short, a swing trading. It's hitting the first target. We still riding it guys. That's different between us and other people, and that way us every time we're telling you, if you want to join us, welcome to the family. Now let's going to see it Bitcoin is doing today in 30 minutes. Here we are guys, that the Bitcoin here in 30 minutes. The Bitcoin here, he came testing here that 100 moving average. As you see here, we are in a downtrend now here in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes. The only thing here, the only things guys, there is something happening here very important. And not a lot of people is showing you that small downtrend here is getting broke. That one here, but the most important guys, that one here, look with me here. If you see in here, we got here like a small head and shoulder guys. That one here, if it's getting broke here, we're going to see that Bitcoin going back to that zone here. I think I explained everything guys, because if you're looking at that dump what happening here, that dump here, it's not healthy guys. I think I explained everything here because there is a war in that dump. So look at it. Also we catch it from here till down here. We're taking all those things. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicators guys, the MACD here, it's still in an uptrend, but there is no volatility. And the most important thing here in 30 minutes is that indicator of us, that one here. We showed it to you yesterday. We told you we got here a bullish divergence like that, which is that one here. Like that guys, it was a very clear bullish divergence here. Now what you can do, you can come and do something like that, because if you came and you do it like that, is it a down channel? If it's getting broke here, that when we're going to break that 100 moving average, we're going to pump again. If it's not, and even that one it's possible, we're going to dump again from here. So also we're ready for everything based on our indicator. As you see it guys, it's entering a zone where is the bulls the controlling. Something I explained everything. So that's it for that video guys, and please guys, if you like our content, make sure to smash that like button. And if you want our daily signals, you can join our VIP Discord via Patreon, of course. The link of it, you're going to find it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. See you in another video guys. Bye for now.